How to make and create email newsletter on Canva PC. Hello guys, so on what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click here in the top on create a design and search for newsletter. Click on email newsletter option and it will take you directly to this page. Right here you will find many email newsletter templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, let's choose this one, and you can change the text and the pictures and everything. As you can see, it looks so professional, and also there is many other templates, for example this one. And yeah, after you finish editing, click on share here in the top and click download. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.